Bethany family, in behalf of Bethany family, we congratulate Pastor Pedro Peter Sargento Penes as you celebrate your 56th birthday, and thank God for you. Thank God for Sister Francia, for Janine or Jaja, for Francia, and Franz. Well supported ka ng iyong pamilya. And I know that the Lord will mightily use you as we have the set schedule done over this coming October 24. I would like to believe is that a Thursday. And the Lord has continued to greatly use you, Pastor Peter Penes, who has the truth there in Calabanga. And move forward. I know that you are well accepted there by pastors in Bicol, and thank you for answering God's call, and thank you for praying Missionary Bob Colon to go back with his family to Pursat as a missionary there in Cambodia. So again, in behalf of Bethany Baptist Church, Mother Church here in Makati, and also my family, congratulations on your 56th birthday. For more years, you will be a senior citizen, and you have your dual citizenship, not only dual, triple citizenship, senior, heaven citizen, and Filipino citizen. So thank you for the Penes family. Keep on in God's grace. Pastor Pedro Sargento Penes. God bless, and congratulations on your birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to